Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas. I'm at the Grand Canal shops right in between the Palazzo and the Venetian. A beautiful shopping mall. They're known for their gondoliers, which are right behind me, the singing gondoliers. The mall closed probably, I'm going to say about an hour ago, so we're going to walk through. We're going to avoid the crowds tonight, that's for sure. But you'll get a good sense for what stores are here, what restaurants are here, and what the mall looks like. I think it's a good time actually to do this. So, you ready to take this walk with me? Let's get going. The Grand Canal shops opened along with the Venetian in 1999. The mall, as you can see, has indoor canals where gondolas with singing gondoliers take people around the mall. As you can see, obviously, the mall has a Venetian theme, and there are 91 shops, including retail, dining, and entertainment venues. Some retailers include Ann Taylor, Banana Republic, Sephora, and lots more. General Growth Properties acquired the 400,000 square foot mall from Las Vegas Sands, who was the current owner at the time, in 2004. The purchase price was $776 million. In 2005, plans were made for an expansion to add 50 more shops for retailing, dining, and more theater space. Plans were approved and built in 2007. The expansion was originally named the Grand Canal Shops, but later renamed the shops at the Palazzo to reflect the name of the hotel that it was actually in. So now the mall has over 140 shops and eateries, and that expansion is not in this video. It's in my Palazzo video if you want to check it out. It is somewhat separated from the main mall, but it's easily accessible through a mezzanine level. This is Buddy V's Restaurante, and Buddy V, I guess the V stands for Vegas. He seems to be everywhere in this town over the last few years. I love this candy store. Look at all those colorful chandeliers over the counter. As I said earlier, the mall's in the process of closing down for the evening, so if I see an interesting store like this, I'll run in as quickly as I can. Sandbox is a virtual reality store. Virtual reality is popping up everywhere around the world. There are some good ones and some not so good ones. I don't know where Sandbox falls in that category. This is karma and luck. No matter where you are in Las Vegas, I can guarantee you if it's a mall or a hotel, there's a karma and luck within feet of you. Some of these stores I just don't get, like, do you need an 8-foot Iron Man model? Well, what about a surfer's necklace with a shark tooth? No, well, how about a 8,000-pound amethyst? I'm sure these items will fit in your carry-on. New York. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Many people don't know that a almost exact replica of the Grand Canal shops is built at the Venetian Macau in Macau, China. Macau being another huge hotel and casino destination. This is the food court here at the Grand Canal Shops, featuring a Johnny Rockets, and if you follow me, you know that I'm a huge Johnny Rockets fan. It's a great place to fill up at a somewhat inexpensive price. This particular Johnny Rockets here at the Grand Canal Shops might be my most visited one in Las Vegas. It's a toss-up between this one and the one at the Flamingo. I've probably eaten at all of them though. Any Skechers fans out there? Let me tell you something. A couple of years ago, my sister turned me on to Skechers, and I told her, well, I do a lot of walking, and she's like, just try them, you'll like them. I fell in love with Skechers. They're the most comfortable walking shoe in the world, and of course they're not a sponsor here, just letting you guys know. This is Smith & Wollensky, perhaps one of the best known steakhouses in the world. They have locations in New York, Boston, Chicago, Columbus, Houston, Miami, Las Vegas, that's obviously this one here, London, Taipei. A lot of people think they've been around forever. They were actually founded in 1977 by the same dude who opened up TGI Fridays, believe it or not. I know some of you are thinking, that place looks dead, and again, it's closing time. A lot of these stores are closed already, and the ones that aren't are closing down. Some of you might not realize that when I fly to a destination like Las Vegas, I record pretty much from when I wake up to when I go to bed, about, I'm going to say 14 hours a day. I don't even have time to throw back a cold one by the pool. I have a cruise coming up in a couple of days, and I promised myself to put down the camera for 2 hours a day in the middle of my filming day, and I'm going to spend those 2 hours either on a beach or by the pool on the ship. Enjoy a couple drinks, maybe get some color on this very white body of mine, and just enjoy myself for 2 hours, kind of like a 2-hour break. And the only reason I bring all this up is because of my recording schedule. I record a lot of times early in the morning and other times later in the evening, and places are just closed. But that doesn't stop me from doing what I want to do. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And that's pretty much it for the Grand Canal Shops. Hands down, I think one of the nicest malls in town. Definitely the theming is fantastic with the gondoliers and the canals going through. Fashion Show probably has better shops as far as more practical shops are concerned. This is a little more touristy, but again, hands down, probably the prettiest mall in town. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the New York channel. It really does help the channel out.
Thanks a lot, guys. Lots more coming from Las Vegas and Atlantic City, as well as cruising, so stay tuned.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.